am Senet Madhyamini. I am grade 7 student from Girivula Vikramasela National School. Firstly, I made a small presentation about lesson number 1 in our grade 7 science book. Now, you also can watch my presentation. My first subtopic is morphological features of flowering plants. Look this picture. This is the picture of the garden. There are many plants in this garden, but some plants have flowers and some plants do not have flowers. Therefore, we can conclude there are two types of flowers in our environment. They are flowering plants and non-flowering plants. There are two types of plants. They are flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants means plants which can produce flowers. Non-flowering plants means plants which can't produce flowers. Now we are going to talk about what are the parts of plants. There are many parts in the plant. They are flowers, stem, taproot, lateral roots, fiber roots, fruits, leaves, etc. Diversity among the roots of plants. There are two types of main roots. They are taproot and the fiber roots. Taproot. Some plants have a single large root which are originated from base of the plant stem. It is called taproot. These are the pictures of taproots. Next type of root is fiber roots. Some plants have a large number of roots which are originated from base of the plant stem. It is called fiber roots. These are some pictures of fiber roots. Now we are going to talk about what are the functions of roots of plants. There are many functions in the roots of plants. They are fix the plant to the soil, absorb water and minerals, dissolved in water for vegetative reproduction. Now we are going to talk about different types of roots. There are 7 different types of roots other than the taproot and fiber roots. They are top root, stilt root, aerial roots, climbing roots, respiratory roots, storage roots and roots with root nodules. These are some pictures of different types of roots. Diversity among the stems. There are two types of stems in the plant. They are branched stem and unbranched stem. This is the plant with branched stem and this is the plant with unbranched stem. Now we are going to talk about what are the functions of plant stems. There are many functions in the plant stems. Some of them are bear flowers, leaves, buds, fruits and seeds, giving support to the plant. Some plant stems store foods. Now we are going to talk about underground stems. Some plant stems living inside the ground. These are called underground stems. Example: onion, banana, leeks, colocasia, etc. Diversity among the leaves. Now we are going to talk about what are the parts of leaves. They are stem, petiole, veinlets, tip, margin, midrib, leaf blades, etc. Now we are going to talk about what are the leaf venation. The arrangement of veinlets in the leaf called leaf venation. They are reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation means veinlets are initiated from the midrib and spread throughout the leaf as a net called reticulate venation. Parallel venation. Veinlets are parallel to the midrib called parallel venation. Do you know there are two types of plant leaves in the environment? They are simple leaves and compound leaves. This is the picture of simple leaves and this is the picture of compound leaves. Now we are going to talk about what are the functions of plant leaves. Main function is the photosynthesis, and some plants store water and some plants can do vegetative reproduction. These are functions of the plant leaves. Parts of the flower and diversity of flowers. There are three main parts in the flowers. They are sepals, petals, androecium and the gynosium. Sepals are green color, therefore they can do photosynthesis. Main function of the sepal is protect the flower at bud time. Petals are colorful. They help to attract insects for pollination. Main function of the petals is protect interior part of the flowers. Androecium is the male part of the flower. Androecium also known as stamen. Parts of androecium are filament and pollens. Gynosium is the female part of the flower. Parts of gynosium are ovary, ovules, stigma and style. What are the parts of flowers? They are anther, filament, petals, ovules, sepals, ovary, style, stigma, etc. Diversity of fruits and seeds. There are 4 types of fruits and seed dispersed. They are by water, by animals, by wind and by explosive mechanism. Our last topic is monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous plants. Look this table. Part is the seeds. Only one seed lobe has monocot plants and 2 seed lobe has dicot plants. Stem. Not branched stem in the monocot plant and branched stem has dicot plant. Leaves. Leaves are parallel venation in the monocot plant. Leaves are reticulate venation in the dicot plants. Flowers. Trioids multiple of petals in the monocot plants. Dicot plant of the petals is 4 or 5 petals or it multiples. Roots. Root is the fiber root system in the monocot plant. In the dicot plants, taproot system. Thank you for watching my presentation. Goodbye for all of you.